So square is actually, when you are talking about the figure square, square has area that is side into side, which I think every one of us is familiar. So that is why today the chapter which we are going to do, that will be related to square only. Okay, so why I am connecting square to that square, I will tell you in a very brief way. Now, सबसे पहले I told you that yes, area is side into side. You people have only given the answer to me that ma'am, the area of the square is side into side. Then I asked you that if you have side as 2 meter, what will be the answer? So you just took 2 with multiplied by 2 and you told me the answer 4. Then I told you if the side is 3, what will you tell? So you are telling ma'am 3 into 3, that is 9. Then I asked 4 into 4, you tell me 16. Then I told you that it is 5, then so you said me ma'am 25. The same thing I have started giving to you till 9. You people were giving the answers to me like that. You know, this concept of a square comes the figure square only. ठीक है? Although square and square root के लिए हम कभी इसके पीछे बैक पे नहीं जाते कि हम square figure से square लेकर आए. Remember, square concept comes, square and square root concept comes when you are studying the square shape. ठीक है? This is the square shape. Now remember, square area means side into side. That means a number multiplied by itself only. Now that number which you get is called square numbers. Okay, for example, if you have a number x and if you multiply x with x only, then you get x square. Okay, that means this is area and this is the sides. Okay, and side is multiplied by itself only. Now remember, a square can have the area always in the form of square numbers. Okay, square figure can have area always in the form of square numbers. Now let us know about what are square numbers. Square numbers basically when you multiply any number with itself only, that means you get a square number. Now let us find out square of some numbers and then we'll tell you one more, we will tell you some interesting facts about square numbers. So I am also writing. I want every one of you to please keep on writing one by one. The square till 15. Okay, square till 15. Abhi 10 tak to we people have discussed only, but I want every one of you to please write till 15. If you are knowing more of it, you can even do it till 20. Okay, so now we are beginning from 1. 1 multiplied by 1, you get 1. 2 multiplied by 2, you get 2. Sorry, 2 square, that is 4. Then 3 multiplied by 3, which you get 3 square, that is 9. 4 multiplied by 4, which you get it 4 square, that gives you 16. 5 into 5, that gives you 5 square, that means 25. 6 into 6, that will be 6 square, that means 36. 7 into 7, that will be 7 square, that gives you 49. 8 into 8, which will give you here 8 square, that means 864. Now 9 into 9, which will give you here 81, or you can call it first 9 square, that is 81. Same goes for 10. 10 into 10, which gives you 10 square, that is 100. Now here I am writing directly for 11. 11 into 11, that means 11 square, which will give you 121. Yes, 12 square will give you here 144. 13 square will give you here 116. Correct. 14 square will give you here 196. Yes, 15 square will give you here 225, that is 225. Yes, 16 square will give you here 256. Correct. 17 square will give you here 289. Correct. 18 square will give you here 324. Correct. 19 square will give you here now 361. 20 square means 400. ठीक है, 20 square means 400. So I can relate with all. Now I will be discussing some of the properties now. ठीक है. So I am asking from each one of you now. My whole board is filled up with squares till 19. You can also include 20 in your fair copy. Now please reply. All the student I am asking this question. How many digits you know about? What are the digits? Digits, can you tell me what is the definition of digit or what is the digit? Always remember, digits are only 0 to 9. It's fixed. 0 से लेके 9 तक के ही केवल digits कहलाते हैं. And number जो होते हैं वो digits से मिलकर बनते हैं. ठीक है? All the numbers are formed by digits only. Now let's say if you take any number, whether it is of 2 digit, 3 digit, or 5 digit, or maybe 11 digits. Every number will contain digits into it. ठीक है? So जो last digit होता है वो कहलाता है ones. सभी लोगों को पता है, हम लोगों ने बहुत जूनियर क्लासेस में पढ़ा है. First place जो कहलाती है back से, that is called ones digit. ठीक है? Ones digit. Now let me tell you here. All of you please observe the board here and look at here the whole square numbers and tell me first thing that which numbers are even here. Are you getting the squares of those even or odd? Please decide. The squares of even number. The square of even numbers are even or odd? Okay. In all the cases, yes. Square of even number will always be a even number, and square of odd number will always be a odd number, no matter it is of 10 digit, 15 digit, 20 digit. If it comes in exam a number which is written of 20 digit, so आपको square करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You just need to write it down. The square will be odd number or even number. Let's say whatever the question depends on. Okay? So the first fact which we are writing is square of even number will always be a even number, and square of odd number will always be a odd number. Okay? Now I have already said to you that if you take any number, that will be made up of digits, and if you are talking about the last digit, या तो वो 0 होगा, या 1 होगा, या 2 होगा, या 3 होगा, 4 होगा, 5 होगा, 6 होगा, 7 होगा, 8 होगा, 9 होगा. इसके अलावा कोई नंबर नहीं हो सकता. ठीक है? इसके अलावा कोई भी डिजिट नहीं हो सकता. नाउ लुक एट हियर. इसको ऑब्जर्व करिए यहाँ तक, बिकॉज आपने 9 यहाँ तक लिया है और इवन 0 भी ले लिया, तो ये 0 भी आपने लिया. ठीक है? इस पूरी लिस्ट को देखिए और मुझे बताइए यहाँ पर कौन से नंबर इंक्लूड नहीं है या कौन सा डिजिट इंक्लूड नहीं है. लुक एट हियर द होल. दीज आर कॉल्ड स्क्वायर नंबर्स. 7 नहीं है. ओके, 7 नहीं है. आई एग्रीड. 7 नहीं है. और 7 को छोड़कर बोलो. 7 नहीं है. और कौन सा नहीं है? 3 भी नहीं है. 2 भी नहीं है. ओके, 3 नहीं है, 7 नहीं है, 2 नहीं है. ओके, एक और नंबर नहीं है. 8 भी नहीं है. 8 भी नहीं है. 5 है. 5 है. 0 है बेटा. 0 का 0 होता है. 0 है. देखो यहाँ पे 0 का 0. 0 है. Okay, now write it down somewhere. We don't have 2. See, we have 1. We have 1. We don't have 2 anywhere. So we don't have 2. First condition, we don't have 2. We don't have 3. Anywhere we don't have 3. We don't have 7. We don't have 7 anywhere. And even we don't have 8. It means now write it down. The next fact, a number ending with, write it down, a number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. In between, please put comma. A number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 can never be a square number. All of you write it down, please. A number ending with, just a second, beta. Just a second, Khyati. A number ending with 2, 3, 7, 8 can never be a square number. If any number can be set into the form of x into x condition, x into x condition का मतलब क्या होता है? A number multiplied by itself only. That will be called a square number, or you can also call it perfect square. For example, suppose I am taking an example 81. Okay? Now you can split 81. Now you are knowing it can be written as 9 into 9. Okay? If you have a number like 49, yes, you can split it as 7 into 7. So that means 49 is a square number, or you can also call it is a perfect square. These two. Perfect square, or another thing is square number. Now please write it down, the definition which I am speaking right now. If a number can be split, in the form of x into x, that number is known as perfect square or a square number. Yes, I'm repeating. Just a second. I said this, if a number can be split, in the form of x into x, that is called perfect square or a square number. Now last question which I am asking today from you all is, see this example. Can you split in the form of x into x these numbers? Think. They are not ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. Can you split? Think. Can you split this number? 105 and 120. Think now. They are not ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. They are not ending with 2, 3, 7, 8. But they are the number which are ending with 5. They are the number which are ending with 0 also. Now tell me, can you split this number in the form of like 9 into 9 I did? You cannot. Correct. You cannot. Because these numbers are not perfect squares. But these numbers were perfect squares. अब यहाँ पर डिफिकल्टी क्या आएगी कि यस मैम आपने डायरेक्टली कर लिया क्योंकि ये छोटे नंबर्स हैं, ठीक है, बिकॉज दे आर द स्मॉलर नंबर्स. यू कैन आल्सो थिंक ऑफ, बट इफ यू हैव द लार्जर नंबर्स, हाउ विल यू डिसाइड the number is a perfect square or a square number? That methods we will discuss it in our next class, and also we will discuss some of the more interesting facts which will be related to perfect square and square number. Today only we have done our introduction part, and please remember beta, please you should always remember whenever we do this chapter, you should always remember at least the square numbers till 20. I will always tell you till 30, बट अगर आपको 20 तक भी याद है, दैट मींस यू आर ओके. ठीक है, सो ऑलवेज 20 तक तो बेटा आपके फिंगर टिप्स पे याद होना चाहिए आपको. ये मैंने क्लास 7 पे भी आपसे बोला था. रिमेंबर, इफ यू आर डूइंग द चैप्टर स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट और क्यूब एंड क्यूब रूट, बिकॉज both the chapters are followed by one into another one, so remember you should at least have the knowledge of square numbers till 20. ठीक है, 20 तक तो बेटा फिंगर टिप्स पे याद रहना चाहिए आपको. अगर आपको 30 तक याद है, इट मींस यू आर रियली वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट. बट 20 तक तो मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है कि यू शुड हैव इट. आई होप इट इज क्लियर. सो टुडेज होमवर्क इज ओनली दैट